Okay, hi guys. So this is the part 2 of the tutorial how to make finding treasure game in Buildbox. So check it. So we will continue. And for the final, I make it like this. Make the like this, just like this. And for the final, and the is like this. Okay, we just continue. We just take this board wall. We use the start make it become 0.8 0.8. Don't make it to hey, what I'm doing. Okay, this is not perfect. Yes, we'll I'm sorry. Make okay, just ignore it. I don't care again with that. So just make like this. I think not near. Just like this. Yeah, like this. To that, take the boardwalk, the long one, and make it become 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, and make it in like this. Boardwalk start is in like this, I think. Yeah, like this. Like this. After that, we can use this boardwalk end. Even this is end, and we don't need to make it 0.8 because look, it's same the size. So just make it like this and just copy and copy. Okay, I think it's better if we copy. Things is like this. Okay, we cannot use this. I think this, and we just use, I think, the start. We will use the start again. Make it come like this. Become this. But look, it's bad. Okay, we just use this. I think the boardwalk. Okay, just use this. It's nice. Okay, it's perfect. It's perfect. Oh, I think this video we are just customizing. I think because is really like customizing. Okay, just like this. To that we will use the and bulk walk it because it's in the end, so we make it in the end. Like this. Okay, it's nice. Just make it like this. Okay, what is this? Just make it like this and make it like this. I think it's too. Yeah, this one is too small. So we will make the end is more far. I think like this. Yeah, I think like this. I think 15. 15 is nice. No, 15 is not nice. I think how if we make it like that I don't know. We will make it 15. Oh no, 14. This I think we can have to preview it. Have to preview it. Eh, what is this? Okay, just like this. I think we don't need to be. Okay. How if we do it, make it become. Okay, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. I think. Yeah, nice. I think yeah, nice. Yeah. Do you think is it nice? Okay, just make it like this. Make it like this. After that, we can take. We can take the sea. Oh no, we will take the island first. So beautiful, the island. Look, we just make it big and make there is one small island in here. It's small. And I think this is too big. So we just make it be a medium island. And we can take, where is it? Rock. Yeah, what is this? Rock, it's too big. Just need to make it like this. I think I will make it like this is the door. Oh, is it nice? Yes, it's nice. The deck we can take. What is it? The name is ship. Yeah, red ship. I mean the red in Minecraft. There is a ship that we can loot. Minecraft. Yeah, if you don't know. Yeah, it's the what is the name? Red ship. If I'm not wrong, the name is what I doing. If I don't wrong, the name is red ship. Is it right? I don't know. Just do ish. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Yeah, like this. This is perfect. And can make there is a small and tiny in this side. I think that is not good. This good? Yeah, this is good. Can make it like that. And for the next, we can take these metal barrels. Yeah, these metal barrels. Oops, it's too big. Make it like not too small and not too big. I mean medium. Not too small, not too big. Medium. I think this is like this is more better. Yeah, I think this is more better. So it is more better is make it just like this. Make it just like this. Copy and make it in front of the board. I mean behind the board wall. There is metal barrel heels. Hey, what are you doing? I take the wrong metal barrels. What is I doing? I think just do like this for making it more easy. Yeah, I think this is nice. This is nice. Yes, this is nice. Yeah, it's good. It's good. and we can make it there's a cloud in here for making it more beautiful. Or there is a little cloud in here, like a little cloud in here. In here there's a little cloud, and there is cloud again, but it have to in behind that cloud. We're making it tiny and make it like this. This good. I think it's too small. Make it like this, I think. And making it, and we can make a many thing like this. I think we can make it like this. This is bad. I think we can make it like this. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, this is good. I think that we can take this and make it behind the boardwalk like this. Just customizing thing. I have to make it more fast or make it more not bored, right? And this bulb for you guys, for me is bored because I just customizing it, not code, make the code. So thing like this is good. Is good, yeah. It's too good. Let's do it like this, and we can make it one again. What is the name? Oh, plan. Plan is like this. I want to make it like. Hey, what I mean. Want make it there is a plan in here. There's a plan. A plan like this. Oh, we always make it to what is the name? To detail. What I'm doing. And I will keep doing this. I will keep doing this. Just like this. After that, there is a same thing like this, and just copy and make it like this. After like that, I think we can make it like this, what I do, like this and like this. And we can add a palm tree, a coconut, a palm tree. It's so identical in beach because let's make it like this. Yeah, like this. It's nice. Just okay, when I and think is it so to detail. Yeah, I think this is nice. Oh, is it not nice? Make it like this and we can preview it. Can preview it. I'm sorry, it's too long. I think. Like this. After that, we will make what is the name? An obstacle in here. We make it like this, and we make the enemy like shocking the player. We make it like this.
Nah, kan logonya belum ada itu. Belum ada kan logonya.
This is like this.
Belum ada karena kita belum apa. Taruh dia di dalam.
Like this, and we can preview it again. I'm sorry. Oh no. Okay. Think after this we will for the part 3 like this. Is it nice? Yes. And don't forget to save it. Painting tutorial. And I think the video will be over and I will make the next part. And don't worry, the next part we will customizing and code the what is the name, code this man, this pirate, this character, and okay, it's right. So I'm sorry if the video will board for 2 parts. So I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and go to the next part.